Pro, con. Less steak on the table. Cooler planet? Con. Eating less meat might actually hurt the environment. Recently, many of the world's leaders met in Paris. Together, they reached an agreement on what must be done to fight global warming. Each country agreed it would work hard to lower the amount of greenhouse gas released every year. Some people are disappointed with the Paris Agreement, however. They feel it does not go far enough. One of the big things such people want is a tax on meat. The added tax would make meat more expensive. As a result, many people might decide to start eating less of it. The change would be good for the planet, they say. Supporters of the tax say raising livestock produces too much greenhouse gas. They believe it is worse for the environment than raising other kinds of food. This idea won't work. Tax supporters say we could greatly slow climate change if we can change how people eat. If fewer people ate meat, farms would raise fewer animals. Then, less methane gas would be released and global warming would slow. The idea sounds reasonable. However, it would not actually work. People who say eating less meat is the answer are not thinking things through. They are not looking closely at what would happen if many people switched away from meat and began eating more of the other kinds of food. For instance, many health food fans like to use almond milk in place of cow milk. However, growing almonds requires a great deal of water. Almonds can be bad for the planet too. Growing them wastes a good deal of water at a time when much of the world's water supply is shrinking. For years, the United States Department of Agriculture, USDA, has pushed Americans to eat less red meat and more fruits, vegetables, and grains. Doctors have long said eating that way is more healthy. Suppose Americans did follow these suggestions. What effect would it have on the level of greenhouse gases? More, not less greenhouse gas. Scientists at Carnegie Mellon University looked at just that question. They found that a shift toward eating more fruits and vegetables would actually raise the amount of greenhouse gas released. The reason is that growing fruits and vegetables requires a lot of machinery. The machinery needs fuel to run. When that fuel is burned, greenhouse gases are released. In the end, more greenhouse gas would be produced than what farm animals cause. The British newspaper The Independent put it simply. When it comes to greenhouse gases, lettuce is 3 times worse than bacon. Being a vegetarian could be bad for the environment, the paper said. Growing fruits and vegetables also uses up a huge amount of water. Farmers would both use more water and burn more fuel if they switched to growing more fruits and vegetables. In the end, raising farm animals for meat is both less wasteful and less harmful for the environment. Of course, people still need their fruits and vegetables. However, it would not be healthier for the planet if we all began to eat less meat. The Carnegie Mellon study is not the only one to challenge the idea that meat is bad for the environment. The University of Michigan study also found that growing more fruits and vegetables would raise the level of greenhouse gases. The truth is, science does not support the idea of a meat tax. It also does not support a move away from eating meat. Neither step will help the environment. Indeed, both are likely to make the greenhouse gas problem even worse.